In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you some awesome ways that you can use Dollar Tree's bags to make some little hacks or little tweaks, if you will, to these bags to make them nice and personable. So we're going to grab a couple of these bags. You can see how pretty they are. They have all of these different patterns, and they have some solid colors as well, like this black one. They also have a all green one, and I think they are really nice crossbody bags. They also have some other bags here off to the side that are made with some type of fabric texture. And so I grabbed this black bag to start off with. And you guys, I apologize for the view here. Is not my normal view for my videos, but I am away from home, so I don't have, my whole setup and everything like that. So I'm just trying to make do with what I have. This video is going to incorporate some of my vacation clips. I know a couple of you said that you would like to see some clips of my vacation, so I incorporated that into this video, and I hope you enjoy, just to give you guys a little something different to enjoy and just relax and watch. We are here in Florida visiting family, and it has been fun. But you can see I picked up this fabric from Dollar Tree. I've never seen this fabric before, and I thought it was super cute to make one of these bags in this material. So you can see I'm just using my hot glue gun because, again, I am away from home. But if you want, you can use fabric glue and it would work just fine. Just use whatever you have on hand. The hot glue actually worked really well. You can see what I did there to the top. I just am starting to cover it, and now I put it through the handle of the bag so I can put it towards the back, and it's just all one piece because I don't want it to have so many different pieces and then it's gonna look unprofessional. So I want it to be nice and seamless almost. And you can see here I'm working my way towards the front, and again I'm just using my hot glue for now, but it held pretty well. You can see here I'm going to cut right at the top where the excess needs to be trimmed off. I just folded it over where it needs to stop and just trim that off, and then I'm going to just close that off with some hot glue and pinch the sides together so that way once again it can look nice and seamless. You can see here I just added some hot glue and pinched them together, and they look really nice. And you guys, I absolutely love how this bag turned out, and it is such an easy way to just spice it up and give it a little bit of your own flavor, because these bags are just a blank canvas, but you can do a lot to them, and I really love how this one turned out. You would have to let me know what you think and if you would give this one a try. Here I am showing you a clip of our little drive. This is a drive where you can go through and you can see some wildlife. You can see different birds, different stuff in the water. As you can see, there is a little fellow there in the water, the gator right over there. Let me know if you see him. I just zoomed in here. It is really cool. We love coming here, and then we got a little birdie friend, as you can see right here. He was on top of our car, and it was so cute. And my daughter was making the sounds with the bird.
Whoa, it's coming to my side now.
Saying hi.
Hi, bird. I do not sound like it. Whoa, it's still on here. Whoa. Okay, now the bird's hanging with us.
All right, now we have a new friend.
We have a pet,
He's still on the roof.
its name is Black. No, Widow.
here we were at a little stay, and this spot has such a beautiful view. It was so nice and laid back and chill. You can see the water view in the back when you're in the pool, and I really loved it. And everyone was just having fun, just chilling here in the pool and stuff like that. As you can see, the clouds were not on our side though. It was about to rain. But even with that, we made the most of it, and it was absolutely beautiful. The views, you can see we had the fire pit going and made some s'mores that were delicious. But yeah, this spot was absolutely gorgeous, and if you would like to stay here, I could leave the link to that stay down below in the description. But let's move on to the next DIY hack for this bag. I picked up this green one here. This one is gonna be super quick and easy, but it's just a little way to just give it a little bit of your style and taste. You can see I have here these iron-on patches, and what I did was I just ironed one on, and this one is for my daughter. I put the little ice cream there. I was debating for a minute if I wanted to put both of them on, but I didn't want it to look too busy, so I just added one, and you can see just how cute it is, and my daughter absolutely loved it. And it is just such a simple way to just give it, once again, your own taste and style. And Dollar Tree does carry different packs of the iron-on patches, as you can see that I showed you the flower and the feather one, so you can just pick whichever one you would like to use and place it on there. I really love how they turned out, so simple and easy, and they look really gorgeous. The fabric one just looks really nice, and I love it. That one is mine, and the ice cream one is for my daughter. Let me know what you think of these quick and easy little bag hacks. I think they are super cute, and I just added some random stuff inside so you can kind of see what it looks like when it's all filled up. It actually fits a whole journal. In this green one, there's a journal inside, and it fits perfectly well. Let me know what you think.
Perfect. Excellent job. Go ahead and stand there and take a shot, Dad. Straight on, it's a better shot. Go ahead, slide in and steal that from you. You did a great job.
Thank you so much, my friend, for tuning into today's video. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did creating it for you, and I hope you liked today's little hacks and DIYs that I created. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and do consider hitting that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future videos, and you can be a part of my YouTube family, and you can continue having fun over here while we create DIYs and do a whole bunch of different stuff. But God bless you, my friend, and I will see you all on the next one. I will be back home in town soon, so I will get to posting and creating regularly. So I cannot wait for that. And I will see you all on the next one. Take care. God bless. Bye. Psst. If you made it this far, comment down in the comment section butterflies so I can know that you made it to the end.